Yo, 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 yo. What's up, my peoples? This is JV right here, back at it again. Been gone for a while, but shit, we back in the zone. Sorry, sometimes you just gotta get away, handle some business. I had a couple things I had to take care of real quick, but now that that has been taken care of, we're back in the markets, and man, guys, my goal is to be in the markets 24/7, 24/7. But right now, you know, it's not. I'm not in the position to do that. Very soon though, I will be, and hopefully you guys are too. So either way, this is how we do it. Let's go, jump right back into the freaking markets. Right off the bat, before I start, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do anything. I am just letting you know my point of view in the market to tell you what I think is going to happen. Keep track of the videos. Go back and see what I have done so far so you can see what my track record is so far. Killing it, guys. Killing it. So, right here on this one, I remember you go back on the videos, we had said if it was going to go down from here or go up from here. It actually went up. It would have hit our stop loss with that stop hunt. Jumped right back down. Boom! That was lit right there. Go and retrace on the money. Right on the money. Boom! Lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, and then it messed around in this floor. I did have my target going over here. That's where we had the target going, but it messed around there, got smaller, and then broke out of this major trend line. After all of those touches, this would have turned red. That would have been a red trend line. 4 hours. Broke out of that, went all the way up. Boom. Nice hit. 61.8 on the Fibonacci that we had over here, all the way to the bottom. So it broke all the way up, guys. That breakout was the one that was showing where it was gonna head to. This is something that I would have kept my eye on, and as you can see right there, it had a little bit of what happened there? Had a little bit of a little consolidation. Something had to, go sideways. This is 4 hours. If you go to the hours, you could probably see that better, where it had to kind of battle it out a little bit, and then ultimately continued all the way up in a huge rally, spiking up, and then finally breaking that mini trend line all the way back down, and now going sideways, getting smaller and smaller, but with a higher high every single touch. So, yeah, it's getting higher and higher. I mean, it's getting smaller and smaller, but on a higher low every time, which tells me that we might be going bullish on this. If y'all see the beginning of the videos, I did show y'all that in a weekly to daily time frame, this is a huge cup. And for those forex traders out there, y'all already know what this teacup is. For the beginners, y'all need to look into this pattern because it is a beautiful one. And USD, I believe the dollar is gonna go down, but then I guess this means the Canadian is gonna go even lower than the dollar for it to jump up like that. So I just really go under technicals. I don't really do a lot of news and all that. I really just like to mark it up and see what the market shows me. What the patterns show me, what the sacred geometry behind everything shows me. So that is how I trade. Right now we are in the 4 hours going and seeing what is today gonna do. I believe we are gonna see this jump up here and touch here before we see drop down here, mess around, and ultimately break up, going up. So I am gonna put my um, stop loss right under that. Uh, Whenever it touches this zone. For now, I will be selling. I will be selling from this price action here, and I will have a stop loss on top of this. So I will be selling there, and I might have a tighter stop loss, but that's just to be safe. I don't mess around, because this is a stop hunt market. So we're going there, and we're gonna take it here, and we're getting out, seeing what the next move is, because we are looking to buy around this price action, and stop loss there. So that is what's playing out this week, I believe. This week, let me see. Yes, this week. This week, I believe we will see that going down, and then might even see a spike up this week or next week. We will see the consolidation for it to go back up. So that is USD CAD right there, real quick. So um, it has played out real nice from the get go. It from here, I said the last video, I believe it has spiked up, and it was here, and I said it was gonna come up to this green zone again around this 700. Oh my God, I called it perfectly, guys. Too beautiful. I said it was gonna go up there before it dropped and started doing exactly what it did on the trend line. You can go back to that video, check it out. And I said it was gonna come down here, but it didn't reach the full target. It just went down to the first target, which was still nice. Um, if you traded it right, then that was the 70% get out and 30% leave for the second and third take profit. Either way, boom, skyrocketed all the way up. That breakout would have shown us where it was going. Um, and that is pretty much it on USD CAD, guys. Moving on to USDJPY. Um, I had some people coming over to the crib. We're gonna chill, so I'm kind of gonna move through these real quickly. I just wanted to let y'all know before anything and post this video, because I know y'all been missing out. And for the subscribers I have who actually have been watching every single video, appreciate it, guys. Fucking love seeing those views on there. Love knowing that I am giving value to this world, even if it's only to 15, 16 guys right now. And let's say, that's more than I ever would have expected. So let's say that we need to be thankful for our blessings. So let's leave it at that. Let's go next. USDJPY. What's up? 4-hour time frame. Dangerous, guys. Dangerous. Then I tell you, man. Well, this came almost to our hit right here, almost. And you see that, guys? Went sideways. Go back to that video. I said it was gonna go lower low or go sideways if it broke it, and then touch around this green right here, around this third touch of this major red trend line I have there. It would have been one touch, two touch, three touch that we were expecting. It got down to our price zone, really freaking nice, and then from there broke out and skyrocketed to our TP. Once it skyrocketed to the TP over here, this I was doing some analysis, and I'm sorry I didn't record that. But either way, so it jumped up to the TP, and then we're expecting this breakout. It did break out, and it went down, back down to the floor right here. And either way, guys, right here on the breakout, where did we say it was going? Look at that. Where did we say it was going? Oh man. So it hit our take profit perfectly before breaking out of this huge trend line finally and retouching. So this is super exciting. Super exciting, guys. We're on a retouch right now. It is gonna mess around right here. We're on a third touch, triple top, guys. There's a double top, but ain't nothing like a triple top. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. So we're about to see this go and freaking plummet. This is about to plummet. Whoever is down to catch this is gonna make some really nice pippage, and y'all should uh, definitely be in that ride. So I hope y'all don't miss that ride this week. I know I won't. And let me see. I'm gonna even break this one down for you guys, so we can get the most perfect entry tonight. I suggest y'all enter from 1 to 2 a.m. on this one. That's just me personally, but um, real talk, this is what y'all need to have marked up on your charts, guys. And from this zone, you need to watch out. I believe it is going to jump from here and try to kick some people out. And once it breaks out of that, it is going to be nice, guys. It's probably going to mess around, but it is going to drop all the way down to that first take profit zone that I just marked up right here, guys. That is going to happen. Man, if oh my goodness, somebody were to say, give me something that you would put your life on. Damn, crazy, savage. This is a trade that I really put my life on. I believe that it will reach our first take profit, and you need to be careful after that. You never know. Once it reaches the first TP, will it break? Who knows? First TP is always a good 70% get out zone, because it would probably retrace back to this level here. This will probably be the retrace shoulder. And if it does do that, then it would suck if you're making, let's say, 1,000, and then you go back to 200, 300. Nobody got time for that, guys. Just take your money. Give thanks to God that you're able to do something that most people have no freaking clue about, and if you told them, would not even believe you. So go ahead, get your monies out, and then get back in on the next shoulder for that breakout of this trend line here, which would have been our first TP, and then ride that to the next TP. Ain't no wrong with that, but you gotta know when to take profit. That has been my problem for a very good while, and I am just now as a trader becoming a disciplined master at leveraging. So you know that is what we're playing out right here for USDJPY. We are gonna go and put a let me see how many pips that would be, guys. Short position. If we go in right there where we think it's going, go and put that a little shorter. And we are looking at that's why I love these pairs, guys. These 30 pip stop losses are priceless. With a standard, you're risking 300 to get 1,500, guys. Well, that's second take profit. Either way, you're risking 300 to get 800, guys. That is on a standard. $30 to get 80. That is still a very, 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 very good payout. So gotta love the markets, gotta love them. And we are going for the final TP of 400 pips on that one. So that is going to be our third TP on that one. And then if you really want to see what I have to what I see long term on this one, then we're gonna have to go into the 4-hour time frame. We're gonna have to zoom out a bit. And yes, I do believe that we are going down here again. This is the trend line here. So 700, 800 pips. I do believe that we will be hitting those. very surely in the next well, I guess in this next 12 months, let's say. We will definitely be going there, and we might even break out of that zone again, and finally keep going all the way to where it broke out this last time. So that is what we're looking at. USDJP1. Let's go to Euro USD. See what's popping. Euro USD, guys. All right. So it did go up to our TP. Beautiful right there. I remember we were telling you about a entry point on a 15-minute time frame for you guys. And let's see what ended up happening there. Well, I know what happened. It went our way, but let's just check it out. Come on, low charts. All right, guys. So right there, it came down there. We said we wanted it to hit this zone. This zone was our entry zone, guys. Look at that. Could not have been more perfect. We went in on that, and TP was up to this green zone. It freaking went up and just touched it. This green zone was a TP we expected to touch there around this price, and it like missed the full target by like 5 pips or so. It was crazy, but still a great trade, and ended up breaking out of that trend line here. I'm not gonna draw it out, but if you can see that right there was the trend line. Broke out of that trend line, and now we are, let me go up to an hour, 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now we are here after that touch that we had drawn out, and I said it was either going to break out or come back down here. We did have the rebound back down here and then plummet, lower low. And now we're on a slight divergence here going there. And what are we expecting next, guys? What are we expecting next? We're expecting this to go up. We are expecting a breakout going all the way up. All the way up, guys. I'm talking about at least 200 pips, Euro USD, 170 to 200 pips. Yes, sir. So we are going to mark it up real quick for you guys. All right. So what trends do I see here? Let's put this in a, yeah, we'll leave it blue. All right. So okay. Right about, damn. I did nothing that was gonna match, and it that is the trend that it is in. So it fit perfectly. Let's say on top of this price action, would be the buy stop zone, and right, it is Sunday, guys. So Sundays it tends to go your way and then retrade. So make sure you take profit tonight on if it when it goes our way. So this right here could very likely go like this. Oh man, I see it going like that for sure. It's gonna try to get people's money and then bail out 8 a.m. or so ish. So wait for the AM session. London, and we'll definitely jump in on that. And that is what we're playing out there. We're just gonna put the numbers on that, and we are done for today. I'm gonna save USD Mexico for next time, guys. Just wanted to come right back into the game, let y'all know that I'm still alive, let y'all know that we still killing the markets, and yep. Man, on that demo, man, I've been slacking, guys. I'm sorry, real talk. I had to take care of taxes. I hadn't paid my taxes in a while, and caught up to me, as a businessman. I had to take care of them, and we had to grind, so I just had to really be focused on that. I'm sorry that I didn't get to make the videos. Um, it sucks for you guys and for me. So yeah, but we are back at it again. Hope you guys can make the best out of this video. And oh man, before I leave, I am gonna go and leave y'all with a golden nugget. If y'all can see that, that's 27 pips. Let's say 30 pips stop loss and like 100 pip take profit. We're gonna leave it at that. And okay, before I get out of here, guys, XRP, man. I know I've been talking about it, and I've been telling you people about it. Oh my goodness. So on that last video, I said it, guys. I said a breakout was coming, and it was gonna be crazy, and it was gonna be huge, and everybody's gonna be talking about it, and there was gonna be a lot of FOMO. So if y'all go in and look into what's going on with Ripple, y'all can see that it has started. The breakout that I said here has started. To me, that breakout was this. You know, now that this happened, everybody's talking about it. But to me, that initial breakout that was going to define the game was this one. And then it started consolidating. Boom. But why was it that one? Because of this trend line that I've been having, guys. Once that broke out, it was just gone for me. So yeah, it broke out right there. Boom. That to me was my breakout and went sideways. And now it has broken out of the second major. That means that shit is about to fucking get real, guys. Shit is about to get real. Excuse my French, but shit is fucking gonna get real, guys. Okay, so we're at 36 cents. Okay, we called it at 30 cents, 30 cents, 31, 32 cents. You know, so don't wait until it hits our TP here of 45 cents, guys. Don't wait until it hits our second TP at what is that? I'm sorry, guys, can't even see my own screen. It looks crazy. 81 cents, guys. Don't wait for 81 cents. You know, don't wait for our third TP of $1.12, guys. Don't do that. Why would you do that? $1 to $1.12, guys. Come on. And definitely don't wait for our bigger time frame TP of $10, guys. Don't wait for that. So we are and don't take my word on it. Please do your own research, you know, please do, so you can feel as confident as I do. And that is pretty much it, guys. Take care. Love you guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you know my own ideas, and you make the best out of it with your own research. Other than that, let's get it, guys. I will check you later. Hasta la vista. Yeah.